Alrighty, hi guys, we are on our way to Mammoth. It is incredibly windy. I think I really underestimated what this storm was gonna be like. It's been raining like crazy. It's been extremely windy. I can like feel it while I'm driving. Colin's sleeping. He just worked a 12-hour shift last night, so we're splitting up the drive. I'm driving the first half and he's sleeping, and then he'll wake up and drive through the snow portion when we have to put chains on. But yeah, it's kind of wild. We're about to meet up with our friends who we're going with. We're gonna get some in and out, and then we're all gonna drive following each other just to make sure it's as safe as possible, and so that like if anyone needs anything, we're all right there. Filling up with some gas right now, and yeah, it is a pretty crazy storm. I'm actually like kind of scared, but I know that we're gonna be safe. The Lord will protect us, so I'll keep you guys updated, but I'm super excited for this trip, and I'll see you guys when more eventful stuff happens, which I'm sure it will on this drive. My sleeping beauty.
I was like, can I get the bottle of Tito's? And it was like the wrong one.
Tito's and Red Bull. Look at this wind. Colin's like, I will not be cold.
My jacket's in there.
Or did it eventually work? Or you just kept getting the
it
keys?
just says it's fraud. It's like it's yeah, alarm for fraud. She didn't even take the card. She just go for it.
And so then I just was like, okay.
Pit stop numero uno. Starting to see some snow, but not quite there yet. Sleepy boy.
Forgot a beat.
I say get that one. That's a good one.
Going down the hill. Oh my god.
Oh, that's gold. Ew, I look like one of those candy stripers. I love how something as simple as the bunny ears is this thing that we all laugh at. Yay, I don't have to drive in silence anymore. He's awake.
Awake's a word.
Just to put a smile on it. Can't do to test the limits and break through. I breathe. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. I'll never go again. All right, stopping to put chains on. Hopefully we can get through this section here and up to the mountain. I gotta pee, so I'm gonna go pee.
We need to close this.
Okay.
It's all locked up. We're good.
I think so. Do you want to check?
Here, check.
Guy, I rolled down the window and was like, it just gets worse up ahead.
I know, that made me kind of scared too.
Don't freak out. Don't freak out.
At least we got the chains on and we like actually feel steady now, so that's like honestly all that matters. This is actually kind of wild. So hopefully it's okay. Whoa, where's the road?
It's ice and thick. That's what he's saying. Remember, he's like, it gets up to a couple feet.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost the minivan caravan.
I'm not out of 2 months.
What is that?
Alright, so turn left, right. I just remember getting in full shot. You're just like, no swamps. No swamps.
Luckily we're close to town, so if anything happens, we have help.
Get ready. That's a lot better. Because I have to stay near track. Because literally, like when I hit over 20, I get like whippy in the back. So I've just been trying to get your trail.
This is so sketchy.
They're plowing it.
I just don't like that it's getting dark. That makes me nervous. But at least there's
You know
a
what?
cop behind us,
Actually,
and there's
I
snow
can
plows to
see-
the left.
It's better.
I can see the reflections right now.
Yeah.
When it was lighter,
You can see the shape of the road better.
You know what? If we end up having to stop, I think it's better if we stop on the flat.
Why?
Because they're plowing the right.
Oh, well, yeah, but just like not too far.
No, I mean like
just nuts.
Oh,
This
God.
visibility is just literally crazy.
Yeah, Young, what were you saying about that visibility?
This is wild.
What?
I mean, with the stories that they tell, they go back in my day.
Okay, getting darker, but we're almost
Nice
there.
slow down again there, Young.
What's going on here?
They're stopping the plow.
I think it's going down. They're plowing, so they're telling people to wait.
Oh.
I got potato chips.
The window's getting icy,
I got
but
a couple protein shakes.
4 more minutes.
Man, this is a good team building exercise.
Yeah, man.
Hey, maybe they have some frozen stuff like.
We're almost there, home stretch. Holy cow, we made it. That was honestly the sketchiest thing I've literally ever done in my entire life. You can't even see. It's so bad. Trudging through the snow
In gym shoes.
gym shoes.
It's so fucking cold.
Oh, where's our unit?
Holy shit. Michelle's our bulldozer. Oh, God. Nice.
This is literally what it looks like from the unit. Like, look at that blizzard. You guys made it! Yeah, there you go. Oh my gosh.
They have heated toilet seats.
It's all frozen. Look, he can't even move anymore. He's locked.
I didn't know. I was like, am I pissing on my leg?
He's got like.
I can't see. What's going on?
Bro, I literally can't breathe.
All right, we got some grub. Thank God. This is a lot. I don't like vodka.
Too bad, dude. Close your eyes.
Oh, damn it. We left my water bottle in the car.
You're not kidding.
We brought a case of you have waters, right?
Oh, they're in the car.
Oh my god.
No, we need to get those out.
We need to get those. They're going to freeze out.
Where
Oh my
were they?
God.
They're in Colin's car. Colin!
So not getting the water.
Too much Red Bull.
Couldn't even.
Actually, yeah, couldn't taste it. That was good. We made it safely. That was genuinely one of the most wild experiences of our life. My life, our lives. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for part 2 of how this weekend goes. Wow, this is insane. I've never been so afraid, but relieved in my life. Thank you, Lord, for getting us here safely. Like, seriously. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll see you guys then. Bye.